What if your uncle leaves you the family farm? Can you inherit tax-free? Well, a guy came into my office last week. He was inheriting his uncle's farm, and people joked at the funeral about how he'd landed on his feet, but he was very worried. His accountant had calculated that he could be facing a 200 grand tax bill. Brutal, right? But very common. You see, if you inherit from a parent, you get up to 400 grand tax-free. But inherit from an uncle or aunt, the tax-free amount is only 40 grand. That barely covers 33 acres, and the average Irish farm is much bigger than that. There is a relief that can help. It's called favourite niece or favourite nephew relief. It lets you inherit from your uncle or aunt and qualify for the same 400 grand threshold as a child. But it's not automatic. You have to file a return, and revenue are challenging claims. To qualify, you must have worked in the farm or business for 5 years before the inheritance, and depending on the size of the farm or business, there are minimum weekly hours to be worked. The problem is that a claim must be made, and revenue are checking the details, hours worked, dates, paperwork, etc. And they are denying claims. So if your case isn't put together correctly and your claim is rejected, you're left with a hefty tax bill. So if you're in farming and expect to inherit from an aunt or uncle, don't leave your inheritance to chance. Book a consultation to discuss your situation, and follow this channel for more tax tips.